with Shay. I am here for my Walmart weekend haul for you. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing this Elite History, I am Shay with the Pal. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like, once per girl. So listen, as far as my weekend, it's not the greatest, but I will not complain. I need 5 offers for $1. I did do how many jobs for field agent? I did 3 at Walmart. Well, I did 6 at Walmart. And I did 5 at Walmart, and I did 1 at CVS, which I had to go to CVS anyways because I had a $10 extra care book expiring, so I had to use that. And so and I did a buy and try, so I think I did 7 altogether. So I will be adding that in this as far as my numbers. I want to do a video on field agent, but not a lot of us use that app. And so let me know in the comments, those of you who use Field Agent are familiar with it. I will have a link in the description if you want to sign up using my link. As far as Be Frugal, it's not a sister app, y'all. It's not even a brother. It's not. It's like a third cousin. That's what it is. It's a third cousin because I don't think I'm gonna be using the app very much. And so, yeah, I feel like with that app, if it goes good and you get the points or the whatever that you're supposed to get, you good. But if you don't and you have to reach out to support, that's when it's a problem. And I think that's my biggest thing with apps is if I don't get paid, what's gonna happen? What are you gonna do? You know what I mean? Am I gonna have to jump in the boxing ring just to get my money, or am I going to be able to send in a couple screenshots or whatever and we're good? And so that one is more complicated than I need it to be. And I know one of you guys had mentioned the sister apps being a gamble. No, this one here is a gamble. And so for me, the 3 deals that I did, all of them say complete and only one of them is correct. I reached out to support. They sent me this cut and paste stuff, and nothing was resolved. I'm still waiting for them to get back to me after I had to repeat the same thing I did in an initial email. So I'll keep you guys posted on that, but I won't be using Be Frugal much. I mean, I'm really hoping they get things together. I mean, I know they probably need more time. And so with that being said, because this intro is hella long, we're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got earrings to do, keep on watching.
All right, so we're at dollar quarter, Dollar Tree, $1.75 more. I have been doing this deal on constant repeat. It keeps resetting for me on Ibotta. This is probably like the 9th or the 10th time that I've done it. It is a G word, meaning they could fix it at any time. It may not work for everybody. And it's a G word, so it's not actually scanning, all right? But when you submit your receipt, it should pick it up. It has been picking it up for me. So grabbing one at $1.25, getting back $2 on Ibotta makes it a 75-cent moneymaker with a limit of 2. So I've been grabbing 2 at a time. I'm making them both free plus a $1.50 moneymaker. And so, yeah. All right, so this first deal is on the McCormick brown gravy. It's priced at 97 cents. Now, we do have a free offer on Ibotta, getting back $1.29, which is what I was going to do. I was watching California Clipper, and I believe that's why I saw do this deal, where she picked up a second one. There is another offer on Ibotta for 50 cents back when you buy 2. So if you grab 2, you'll get back the $1.29 plus the 50 cents, making them only 15 cents for the 2 or 7 cents each. All right, so I'm going to be grabbing the Baker's Joy again, priced at $3.50. Grabbing 2 of them. We'll be using this $1 off 2 coupon right here. It'll bring it down to paying 6, getting back 6 on Swagbucks, make them both free. Of course, we're grabbing this again. I think I got way too many in the fridge right now, though. But it's on the Hairshire dips and spreads, priced at $2.97. I'm grabbing 4. pay $11.88, getting back 8 on Swagbucks, 3 on checkout 51, makes them only 22 cents each. All right, I'm grabbing the Rockstar again. Now, I don't have it on any of the sister apps anymore because I've already done it on all of them. I do still have it on checkout 51, so I'm going to grab 2 of these at 188. I'm under paying $3.76. Getting back the 2 would make them only 88 cents each. I was thinking of just printing the printable and just getting them that way as well, because 88 cents is definitely not a bad deal. Now, if you still have the offers on the sister apps, you'll get back to they're making them both free plus a 24-cent money maker. All right, so this next deal here, this is a field agent deal. It's on the Palmolive on the warm spice, this one here. It's priced at $2.82. You'll get that back plus a $2 bounty. I'm making this a $2 moneymaker. All right, so next up is the Suavitel. This is on the 46-ounce bottle. It's priced at $4.47. Grabbing 2 of them will pay $8.94. I'm getting back $3 on Swagbucks and a total of $3.50 on checkout 51, making them only $1.22. All right, yeah. So this next deal is on the little critters. Now, this is an offer on the sister apps. It's buy 2, get back 9. They are priced at $4.98, so you'll pay $9.96. Getting back 9 would make them only 48 cents. Now, there's an offer on checkout 51. It's for the probiotic one. I'm gonna see if it would work or not. If it does, that'd be great. If not, 49 cents each is definitely not a bad deal. So this deal here is on the Aleve 10 count, price at $2.57. Getting back $1.50 on Ibotta makes them only $1.07 each. All right, so yeah. You already know. All right, we're grabbing the Arm & Hammer again because it's such an easy deal. Price at $3.98, $2 printable from coupons.com. You'll pay $1.98. Getting back to on Ibotta makes it a 2-cent moneymaker with a limit of 3. Or you could do the sister apps, check out 51. And so, yeah. All right, so next up is the Lysol wipes. I'm so sad they don't carry the travel size ones, the lemon one, in our area anymore. But if you can find them, they're priced at $1.50. You'll grab 2 and pay 3, getting back 3 on Swagbucks. Makes them both free with a limit of 2 submissions, so you could grab 4 on 1 receipt. You would pay 6 and get back 6. Look. I found some of the Hello toothpaste on clearance for $2.50. The Magic Mermaid one is, there goes a UPC for that one, and this is the one for the wild strawberry flavor right here. So this, we're grabbing 2 of them. We'll pay 5. We'll get back 4 on Swagbucks, and then we'll get back a total of $2.50 on checkout 51. So make them both free plus a $1.50 moneymaker. I'm gonna max this out on 2 apps, or 2 of the sister apps, so I can do my checkout 51 as well as Joseph's. It'll make a set of 4, what, a $3 moneymaker? So 2 sets of 4 will be a $6 moneymaker. So this next deal is on the soft soap. This is on the refill bottles. They're priced at $5.97. For this, we want to grab a total of 2 of them. We'll pay $11.94, getting back a total of 5 on Swagbucks. For buying 2, $3.50 on Ibotta, and $3 on checkout 51, bringing them down to only 22 cents each. Now, I went ahead and grabbed a set for Walmart Rewards as well as Ibotta, making all 4 less than $1. So next up is the Dial. Now, we have 2 different offers on Ibotta. One is for the ones that are priced at $3.97. Now, I do have $2 hang tags I found a while ago. They're in the car though. But I'll pop up what they look like. So if you grab one at $3.97, use a $2 hang tag, you'll end up paying $1.97, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, makes it 47 cents. If you grab the one at $5.22, $2 hang tag, you'll pay $3.22. I think the offer for that one is $1.75, making that only 97 cents. So this deal here is on the Axe. Now it's on the larger cans, the 5.1 ounce. They're priced at $6.88. The offer when I bought it is $6, making it only 88 cents. Now I was really hoping to do this deal for Walmart Rewards as well, but by the time I got here, it was already gone. And so yeah. So here is our complete haul for today. Please excuse Josiah in the other room being his little human self. But this all worked out really good. I did have to go to CVS. I did the Safeguard. I was really wanting to do the sponges because that's something we really need. But you can never go wrong with hand soap. That was buy 2, get back 6, $1 off 2 digital. It made them like $1.29 each. I had a $10 extra care buck expiring tomorrow, so I had to use that. And I also did a field agent job while I was there as well. As far as field agent, I did 5 or 6 jobs where I just take pictures and one buy and try, which is the Palmolive. That's the only receipt that's still processing. All of the other jobs have cleared already, which is really cool. Old Spice, y'all, I did it twice again. I don't know what is up with the Old Spice, but it just keeps on resetting. And as long as it's resetting, your girl's gonna be doing it. Now with the Hello, I went ahead and grabbed 3 sets. Well, technically I did 2 sets of 4. And then I split the 3rd set into 2 because I still had 1 redemption for my Checkout 51 account and Joseph's. So I figured it was better to do it that way so I could actually get back 2 more redemptions on the set of 4 versus 1. I've noticed with Checkout 51, the receipts have been taking stupid long. Like one of my last receipts from, was it my last haul? It took 3 days and I had to hit them up and be like, hey, what's up? They were able to expedite it for me. But lately, the receipts have been taking longer. I don't know why, but they do. I normally do my trips in the mornings, and I feel like earlier in the day, they go through faster. But yeah, so hopefully that one doesn't process that long. I'll let you guys know if the little critters works, though. Even if it doesn't, it still makes it like, I don't know, like 75 cents. Those are the ones that Josiah uses, so it's something that we're going to get anyways. Other than that, I've got about, I don't know, 10 receipts or so. One of you guys asked me about the receipts. Do I do 1 deal per receipt? I don't. Different receipts, different trips, different apps. That's why I always have multiple receipts. With that being said, everything you see here retails $134.08. We had $8 in coupons. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $126.08. My sales tax was $656. Getting back $34.82 from Field Agent, $32 from Checkout 51, $32 from Swagbucks, $26.29 from Ibotta, $11 for Upromise, $8 from EasyBucks, $7 from Inbox Dollars, $3.50 from Walmart Rewards, and $6 in Extra Care Bucks. Brings our total to $160.61. It makes everything you see here free plus a $34.53 moneymaker, which is really awesome. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. In the comments, I want to see an apple emoji if you made it to the end, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.